Hi everyone, welcome to the East Current. Today I will have a look at the Bitcoin chart. I think it's a very interesting chart to be looking at, especially when you are an investor. And a lot is going on into the Bitcoin market. Before we take a look at the weekly price action, I just want to zoom out to a larger picture of the Bitcoin price. This is a log chart, so if you want to duplicate this kind of chart, you'll have to put your Tradingview on log mode. Here is the Bitcoin price, and interestingly, this is the peak of September or January 18. And as you can clearly see, the Bitcoin price is respecting a long-term parallel channel. So I am long-term bullish on Bitcoin. However, when we take a look at the more recent price action, this tells a different story. We are in a technical bear market defined by the 30-week MA, the black line. And basically the bear market started in October, November 25. And as an investor, you look at the weekly closes. The first weekly close below the 30-week MA was here, beginning of November, and the second followed up immediately here. And here is a fact where it gets dangerous as an investor, and you should make a decision on leaving the market or wait it out a little. And then you see how a bear market works. So you have a leg down, you have a period of consolidation or upward price movement. It did not even reach the 30-week moving average. Then you had a second leg down. We had a second upward price movement here. Could not break the 30-week moving average. We had another leg down. We took out the low made in February 26, and we are now hovering about the $46,000 price range area. What I'm looking for as an investor in this scenario, I'm looking for some kind of long-term price stabilization. Which we could be doing right now. Is this for me a time to invest? No, absolutely not. We could expect a rebound rally into the long-term moving average around 20%. Would not surprise to see a price increase of 20%, between 13 and 20%. I'm not playing that. I will be looking for something like this. Some hovering of price, a long-term moving average that goes like this, stabilizes, and then once it's stabilized, we can look for an entry point as an investor. Every bear market is very important that you watch these as an investor, because it ends in a bull market. And as an investor, you want to get a good deal on price. So once we will see a flattening of the long-term moving average, we can look for entries. This is not a guarantee, of course. We'll have to wait, be patient, and see how it moves. It could also be something like this, rally upwards and then downwards toward the lower trend line. I don't know, but I will be watching the Bitcoin chart very closely. I will take it up in the weekly market recaps, so you can have a look at it. I hope this helps you a little bit with Bitcoin. As an investor, I'm not interested at this moment to invest money in Bitcoin. I will take a step aside and wait till price action shows me the way, and will close eventually above the long-term moving average. Have a good start of the week, and talk to you at the end of this week.